Hey guys, kdisjubjub here, and today I'm going to be doing a installation of RAM. Upgrade my 27-inch iMac. It's the top of the line i5 processor. Right now it has 4 gigs in, and I'm going to be putting in 4 gigs. That's 12 gigs of RAM. And eventually, maybe after a couple years, once I feel like it needs another boost, I'll put in 2 more 4 gigs to give it 16 and take out the 2 that's already in there. So, RAM I got is by Samsung Green DDR3 for notebook, 4GB PC3, 1333 megabytes per second, and then Planet First, memory for life. So, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, I'm back. I got my iMac on a soft surface, aka my bed. I got the RAM out, which was not too easy, but here it is. 4GB Samsung. I'll put the model and link to it on Amazon in the description. I believe I got it for like 40 bucks each, so I spent like $80 on 8 gigs of RAM, which is pretty good. So let me see if I can get a good angle here. Alright, so there's going to be 3 screws. What you're going to do is take a screwdriver, Phillips, and I'm going to try to do this. Alright, I'm back. I got this off. Now, make sure you are very careful, because I used a little screwdriver bit like this, and to make sure you guys do not strip this, as you can see, I got pretty close. So I used a little screwdriver, Phillips, and it worked out great. So, there's 2 tabs here. Pull these tabs out, and I'm just going to want to make sure I put this in the right way, so you want to give it a tug, and they just pop out. Okay, so the line goes to the right. Alright. So I'm going to take my Samsung memory. Make sure the line's on the right. And you feed it in. You push it in until you hear a click. It's a little bit kind of hard to reach the bottom. I take my second module, line to the right, pushes down, that in, and then just push till you feel a click, and make sure everything's tugged. Okay, then you're going to take this flap, push it inside. Alright, and now put the door back on. So I'll see you in a sec. Alright, so one note, make sure you don't tighten it too tight, because you really do not want to strip that screw. So I might see you in a sec with the first boot up. Alright guys, I just installed the RAM, so let's give it a start and hope this works. Okay, that's great. We got the white screen with the Apple logo. Or sorry, it didn't show up yet. Now the Apple logo. So that's good. Kind of worried because on the description it didn't say it was for Apple, but some comments did say it worked. So let's try this out. Okay, whoa. Boot up time was really fast, so I think it's working alright. Sign in here. Sorry, I just can't fit 27 inches on a small camcorder. Alright, everything's looking great. We're signed in. So let's go, Apple, about this Mac. There it is, guys. Woohoo. Little accomplishment right there. Focus. 12 gigabytes, 1333 megahertz DDR3 memory. Yeah. More information. Memory. And here you go. It's reading each and every one perfectly. Size 2 gig, 2 gig, and then the other two are 4 gig and 4 gig. All the same speed, and the status are both okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and also check out for my unboxing of the Rat 7, which is going to be put up right after this one. And make sure, if you haven't seen my boxing of the iMac, go check that out. First boot up, and so much more.